Christian Boys Secondary School kawadan Tura West Garo Hills kala Pynlong ya kajingya rally ha kabaide bat ka World No Tobacco Day araja pusan halor ka phang tobacco business of that lane ka bamot uduma kakam ka banyalam sya kabayam la Pynlong ya kani kajingya rally mentaka singi kata ka apun retri ujemang araja pusan bat kani karali katmu ban pensungo thu asya phang kijing ma jang uduma bat ban kintiu ya kalawai kaban om pendan kam ya uduma Kani kajingalang kalapan lejing mod ha kabapan pau ya kibut jang ki karkhana bar kajing khata kabasni jang uduma khamtam ya ki samla u abhik sarkar ubade u health and wellness ambassador but u assistant teacher ha Tura government school habayakran bat kinong pathai khubor ula banjur halor kajing don kam matsdang no ki campaign ki ban ajing tip halor kajing sniu kajing uduma nadut na school namar kala banyarap shibun ha ka imlang kasalang
We are organizing no tobacco rally, so just to aware the citizen that the harmful effect of consuming tobacco. So if we see the trend in the recent year, we have seen that there is a rise in the consumption of tobacco. So if we start this awareness program from the school itself, then it will it can have positive impact on the society. So there will be deterrent among the students, and so we can prevent it from the school itself. So just we want to aware the citizen about the harmful effect of the tobacco, because it not only affect the person consuming it, but also people surrounding him. So just we want to send some positive message to the society.